again we will connect. So I'll cancel that because again half an hour extra only I have taken. No, so one second, let me announce that 5:30. You guys don't. I think almost everyone are present, right? At 5:30 p.m. no session. We will connect. Yes. Now so there's some major updates I've done in your Google Classroom. Okay, so first of all, sorry for the delay. Yesterday I was no I was busy with something else, so I could not upload this video up early. Okay, so now it is updated. You guys can just check with the video, and the complete UVM slides is updated in the slide section. Okay, so once you can check with that. And today, I have updated your sequence item labs. Last class, I have explained only one lab session, that is copy method. I have explained. No, remaining, labs I will explain now. Okay, remaining labs I will explain, and all those labs I have posted in the, Google Classroom. So please download and do the execution as well. Okay, so how to download? I think I have not told. Okay, just a minute. So I'll open your classroom. First, let me take an attendance. I have not taken attendance or what? This is absent. Fourth day only. Okay. Okay, so now currently little bit I'm stressful because of two SV and UVM session. So next week probably soon I will complete system and relax session. Okay, once I complete that UVM I will take for lengthy hours. Okay, maybe I'll try to take some 1.5 hour, 2 hour session per day. Okay, means in between I will give the gap. I'll give the gap of some 15 minutes. Okay, so once I complete UVM, once I complete SV, I'll be free. Then for UVM I'll give more time. Okay, so now you guys can just move on with some small part of the concept. Okay, UVM anyways we have less concepts only, we can complete early, not a problem. But little bit has SV and UVM both back to back I'm taking, so I'm little bit stressed right now. Okay, yeah, once next week I'll complete it SV. Okay, then for UVM I can give more time. Okay, Lavanya is present, Sudha is present, Aishwarya is present. So it's good to join the live session, okay, instead of depending on the recording. Manikanta is present, good. And Jyoti is not present. Sudhakar Muhammad is present. Swaroop Dolly Krishna is not present. Gopi is not. Okay. Still a good attendance, so please try to join live. Okay, at least in the weekends. And in the weekends only, I'll take double sessions. Okay, so please do not miss. And UVM, I will see tomorrow. Okay, and system relog people. Okay. Anyways, I'm not having another session. No. So for SV, except Laya, remaining all candidates are anyways there in system Verilog. No. So for SV, can I take the session tomorrow at 10:30? Maybe for 1 hour. Two sessions, anyways, I have to take tomorrow. But first session, can I take at 10:30? SV session one. Just respond in the chat box. Except Laya.
Yes, ma'am.
Reply in the chat box, everyone. 10:30 a.m. Maybe one 10 to no pa I should be able to explain no, so for so long hour 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 3 hour means how should I explain that, you tell me, right? So okay, I'll see. Okay, I'll make a note of not 10, 10:30 will start. Okay. That is what 2 hours max I can explain, because continuously if I explain, I will also be stressed, and you also you can't concentrate. No, that's what. Okay. See, what we'll do is 10:30 we will start. Yashwant, wanna tell something? Okay. So 10:30 we will start. 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour I will first take. Okay, 1 hour I will take, and next session I will see. Okay, maybe I can give some 20 25 minutes of break, and I will continue for another 1.5 hour. Okay, so like this I will do, because at least some 20 25 minutes of break I need. Okay, if not I can't, first of all I can't explain so long. Okay, first I will take 1 hour. Okay na, yes. 11:30 to 12 o'clock you take break. From either 12:15 or from 12 o'clock we can take another 1.5 hour. Okay, yes. So for first half of the day, please stay available tomorrow. Second half, I will not disturb you people. Okay. Yes. Okay, we'll start tomorrow's system Verilog session at 10:30, and UVM regular only 4 o'clock. Okay, this time 4 o'clock only I will take, because usually in a weekdays I will be taking SV lengthy hour, no. So, but tomorrow system Verilog will start at 10:30, so I will complete soon system Verilog session. So on time I will take for UVM people. You people do not have to worry. Okay. Okay. UVM at 4 o'clock regular timings, but SV tomorrow we will start at 10:30. Okay, ending we will see how it goes. Okay, well, so that is about the timing discussion of tomorrow's SV session. Now coming to this, see here in UVM I have posted go to classwork. Okay, here you click on all topics. Here you can see the labs. Okay, so click on the lab. So all the system sequence item labs I still didn't explain, I will explain today. Okay, last session I only explained one lab right now. So how to download that? So first click on here. Okay, here you have a three dots, click here, open in new window. Okay, so you will be able to open some interface like this. Now here you have a download option, this one. Okay, so click on this icon and then you will be able to download. Okay, so this is a process that you have to follow. Okay, just like here, don't try to open like this, it will not be opening. Okay, wait a minute, I'll download and I'll show, so that it will be clear for you people. So from today onwards please start your simulation. Okay, so tool, how to download the tool, that also I have informed in the previous session. In the, here you have tool. Okay, so YouTube video also I have kept, and this how to download, I think I have told even earlier. Okay, how to download this zip folder I have told, so please follow that. Okay, see, once you open this, click on download anyway. Okay, and then it will be downloaded to your local system. Okay, wait a minute, let it get downloaded, and also it will be in a zip folder, you have to extract it. Okay, and I'll conduct a review also. Okay, and I will not inform like when is a review and all. Suddenly I will keep a review. Okay, maybe till Christmas I'll not conduct any review. Okay, after Christmas anytime I can conduct a review, and you people have to join via laptop mandatorily. Okay, yes, see the file got downloaded, lab got downloaded, and once the download is available, right click, extract all. You can choose whatever the location you want, extract. Okay, see, it was a zip folder. No, now I have unzipped it. Okay, once you unzip, you can work on it. If it is if you have a work directory, please delete that, and then you can do the simulation. Okay, so let me continue with the further labs now. Okay, this is how you can download the things which I have already uploaded. Okay, this is one thing. And study materials. If you go to study materials section, here you have a study material section. Okay, so just click there. So first thing is TLM ports, you will get to know in future. Okay, maybe next week I will be explaining TLM ports concept. Then you will make use of this particular document. Okay, so this you will get to know later. Here you have a textbooks. Okay, as of now, according to me, it is not required, because for UVM, whatever I am explaining properly, if you maintain a running notes, that is more than sufficient. Okay, so you do not have to separately refer to any of the website, or any of the book is not required according to me, because whatever I will explain, that is enough. And whatever the labs I provide, that properly if you practice, that is more than enough. Okay, so but still I have kept the references here. Okay, and UVM interview questions and answers, everything is available here. Okay, so related to your interview also I have posted everything, but don't memorize blindly. Okay, so this is just I have prepared for some other batch, I have given to you people, but blindly don't follow this. If you want for this question in the live session I will answer na, that answer you make a note. Okay, so this is wrong actually. If I have to tell, going to this procedure is actually wrong. Okay, anyways, every day I'm giving the interview questions right now. See here in the question of the day, as soon as I complete my explanation, I'm going to give the interview questions. Correct na? These interview questions already I have discussed in the live session. So please follow those particular answers only. Okay, and see, I think last session I didn't write QOD, no. So last sessions and this sessions both I will write today. Okay, last session's interview questions and this session's interview question, both I will post today. So just inform me every day. Okay, to post the QOD, question of the day. Okay, every day I will post as soon as I complete the session. So please follow this procedure. Okay, blindly don't go and follow the document. That is not a right procedure, but still I have kept it. Okay, whatever the questions you want to, once you can go through it. Okay, well, not now, after completing the concept full subject. Okay, see, as soon as I complete the course, I will not close the batch as early. Okay, so means suddenly I'll not close it, because I want everyone's confirmation with like, should not be having any doubts. Okay, and everyone must compulsorily give the review. Once everything is completed, then only I will close the batch. Okay, because after the explanation I will not close it. First you should clarify all the doubts. Okay, and even after closing the batch also, if you have any doubts, you can definitely contact me back. Okay, yes. So in the study materials I have uploaded all this. Okay, you guys can download this also. Okay, even if you lose the document in future also, still it will be available. Okay, so that you do not have to worry. Okay, so now let me come back to the lab. Okay, so which lab I have explained last session? Copy method. Okay, so clone and print I will explain now. So now it is easy. Last session, as it was first time, I have elaboratedly explained. Now I'll explain only the inbuilt methods. Okay, that we are using. Okay, print file data I'll take. Work directory I am deleting. Okay, same 4 lines. So I've taken the name of the file name. Okay, this is the module name of the top file. Okay, so here same what sequence item file, what we have understood in the last session, same sequence item file. Okay, so paragraph registration is done, because my intention is to use all of the inbuilt methods. Okay, not the virtual methods, common methods. Okay, so if you want to use virtual method, you do not have to use a paragraph registration. Okay, no, so that we have discussed. And here these two are the packages file, which by default I'm including. Okay, and this particular file sequence item 2.sv, that also I have included here. Okay, so inside the module and module, I am just taking the handle of the sequence item file. Okay, I am using the create method, not the new. Okay, what is the reason behind that? Already we have discussed last session. Right now, why are we not using new method here? Why are we using the create method to create an object? This is very very important question. Definitely in the interview they will ask you the difference between the new and create. Okay, create is nothing but the factory method only. Factory, if they ask you create and new difference, or if they ask you factory and new difference, both are same. Okay, so this difference is very very important, which we already discussed in the last session, and that's very important question. Definitely they will ask you in the interview. Okay, next, I'm repeating the loop for 5 times, because I want 5 different values. Okay, using that particular object, I'm randomizing it using object dot randomize method, and I'm trying to call the print method. That's it. Okay, now my expectation is I will get a 5 boxes, as I told. Okay, so with with the different type IDs, I will be able to get the print method. Okay, so it is just I'm using the print inbuilt method of the sequence item. Okay, file, open, copy, paste, do space, run dot do. Yes, as I told. Okay, so here this sequence item I have used you create method to create the object. Okay, so how many handles I have? Only one handle I have, correct? Now what is the type ID that I'm getting for that is 466. That 466 ID only is getting printed 5 times. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I repeated 5 times. Okay, I'm getting the 5 different randomized value, but with the same type ID. Okay, but randomized values should be will be different. Okay, so what is that randomized value? I want to get it for address written. Okay, same file. No? Okay, address writenable, returnable, w data. So you can see the values. These values are different. These values are different. These values are different. Okay, different values. We will be able to get it. Okay, suppose if you repeat for, you know, Three times, three different values, three randomized set, you will get it. Okay, save, execute. And in the review I may also ask you people to show the simulation of the lab, and I may also ask you the explanation of the output and the explanation of the files. Each and every line I may ask you that why are we taking this base classes, okay, why are we including this, what happens if we don't include this, what is the difference between create and new, why are we repeating it three times, okay. So here why are we using bin, if I write deck what happens, if I write hexa what happens, all these questions I will be asking in the review. Okay, review in the sense I will be asking you people to share your screen, I'll ask you to execute any of the lab, I will be asking the questions on that particular lab, then it will be clear for you people. Okay, and here why I am taking uvm sequence item, why can't I take some other base class, okay, all these questions I will be asking you people. Okay, so there will be many review sessions, make sure to attend the review session. Even if you have not prepared, attend it. In that review only you will get to know lot many things. Okay, so three data I have got because I have repeated for three times. Okay, yes. So now let me open some other lab that is about the printing of the file data. Okay, next okay, clone and print. If the work directory is present, please delete that. Okay, so again the same run file. Okay, so I'm adding the file name here, this is the module name. Okay, same sequence item file. Okay, same file, I'm not changing it. Okay, same file I'm taking here, I'm changing now. Okay, this particular top file I'm changing. This time I have used two handles, sequence item 1. Okay, sequence item I'm creating the object. Okay, what about sequence item 1? I'm not creating an object because I want to clone. Clone means what? I don't want two memory. I want on I can just create one memory, that is enough. This one memory will be duplicated, that is called as clone. Copy means what? In the copy I need two memories. Okay, so in the copy method I need two memories. Okay, so one data will be copied, one memory's data will be copied into another memory's data, that is copy. Clone means what? Duplicating. You only have one memory, that one memory will get duplicated, that is called as clone. Okay, so one particular object I have created, I'm randomizing and I'm printing. Okay na, so let me comment all the things, save it. So just three lines, I commented everything, just I've created an object, I'm randomizing it and I'm printing it. Okay, quit hyphen sim, quit hyphen sim. Okay, next again cd space open and close flower brackets, file, open, clone and print. No, so copy, paste, do space run dot do. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just randomizing and I'm printing. Okay, no, see, I got a type ID as 466. Okay, because of this type ID I got that particular ID here, 466. And for address, write enable, read enable, w data, I got some random values, that's it. Okay na, this is my output. Now what I'll do, I will do the cloning. This is the syntax for cloning. Okay, in the sequence item, just now I printed the output na, see this one, sequence item. Okay, so in the sequence item what all data is present, that I am cloning into a new word called sequence item 1, or else into the new handle called sequence item 1. Now you have only one memory, this memory will get duplicated. Okay, then if I print sequence item 1, let us see what will I get. Save, again execute. Okay, see, now I should get two print, one print is of sequence item, another print is of sequence item 1. Two prints I will be getting. Okay, no. See, two prints I got, but see, this is sequence item. Okay na, this is sequence item 1, both are different, but the memory is getting cloned, the same memory got duplicated. Am I right? See here, sequence item, same names but different type ID. Getting my point? This is how we have to recognize. See, names are different. See, this is also VLSI, this is also VLSI, or else this is also Laya, this is also Laya, same candidate, but initials are different. Employee ID, see, if there are same, for example, the name is Manikanta, in the office there are two Manikanta with same initial also, just imagine. Okay, then will the employee ID will also be same? No, na. Employee ID will be different because these are two different person. Of course they have a same name, but two different person they are. How can we recognize? With the help of maybe the Aadhaar card, or with the help of some unique thumbprints, or with the help of some employee ID. The same way here also, see, different type id we are having, which indicates that this is different memory, this is different memory, but we created only one memory. That one memory got duplicated into another memory, and some new type id has been allotted. Okay, so that's about the clone method. Okay, next, what I'll do, I'll try to compare. Of course, when you do the comparison, it will be same only, because both see E10C. This is also E10C. So when you obviously compare, you will get a true condition only. There is no doubt in that. Okay. So we'll do the comparison. Save. Okay, see, we are doing comparison, we are getting a true condition. So whatever the condition we have written here, true condition. Okay, so this true condition we are getting here. Okay, we can't deny that because both are similar. Okay, these values and these values are same because we have cloned it. Obviously it will be same only. Okay, now using sequence item 1, I am trying to change some values, address and W data value. And again, I'm trying to print both. Now, what should I check is, okay, using sequence item 1 handle, I am changing, which means what? This should reflect, this value 15 and 40 should reflect only in this memory. Correct? Because this is different memory, this is different memory. Correct? Now, when I use sequence item 1 handle, to change the values of what is that, address and W data, it only here I should get the changes, here I should not get the changes. Correct na? So now let me even do the changes and let me check now. I have used sequence item 1 handle. Okay. So again I am printing. Okay, see, the changes is reflected only here. See, 15 means F in terms of hexadecimal, it is F. Correct na? 15 and 40. That 15 and 40 is reflected only here. It is not reflected here because I have utilized sequence item 1 handle. Okay, see, with the help of the type ID, I can tell that this is different memory, this is different memory. If you use this particular handle, the changes will be appearing only here, the changes won't appear here. Okay, no? So that's about the clone method. In the clone method, only one memory is enough. That memory will get duplicated and will be given the separate type ID. In the copy method, what happens? We ourselves we have to create two memories. One data is copied into the another. Sorry, one memory's data is copied into the another memory. That is copy. In the clone, only one memory is enough. Okay, so is it clear for everyone about the clone method? Yes. Okay, so those who were absent in the
Ma'am,
last session, so please go through the last session first. Okay, yes, Manikanta.
ma'am, can you compare with the like these copy and clone with the SV concept like shallow copy and deep copy?
No, that is different. See,
That
not
is,
shallow copy, that is what last session were you present?
no, ma'am. I have to watch.
That is what I'm telling. In the last session, I have clearly mentioned the copy method which we are using in the UVM is directly the deep copy. I am not using
Mm,
shallow copy in UVM.
mm,
Okay, that is there in the table. In the last session, I have explained one table. In that table,
mm.
it is written shallow copy and class assignment is eliminated in the UVM. In the UVM, whatever the copy method I'm using, that copy method is directly the deep copy. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay. And Laya, what about you? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the output analyzation. If it is difficult, don't worry. First watch tomorrow yesterday's session. Okay, whatever I
Yeah.
have explained. Then you again watch this. Then definitely will understand. Suppose in case if you are feeling difficult, again get back to me. Once again, I will analyze the output in front of you. Okay, no?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So
Ma'am,
that's.
Ma'am, in the last class, do you explain this field macros and
Yes, yes, completely it is explained. That's what it
uh,
is written. Na? Field
uh,
macros, syntax, okay, why
ma'am,
we should do the paragraph registration, okay, all that is explained in the last session.
ma'am, uh, uh, I have a question, ma'am. Uh, Flags there, ma'am.
Huh?
UVM all on and the UVM
Ah, I
default.
have explained. I have explained. Yes, that is what
You
I'm
explain.
telling.
Ma'am,
Okay.
which code you explained, ma'am?
N- No, pa. Listen, listen. First, watch last session. Tomorrow we again have a session. No, get back to
uh,
me. I will again explain. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Because once you watch last session, you will get some clarity exactly what I have explained there. Okay. See, nothing. If you use UVM all on, what happens means this particular field or this particular signal is eligible to use all the inbuilt methods like copy, clone, compare, pack, unpack, everything. Suppose if I use the default, okay, UVM default if I use, then by default what you are using here by